getting it, ooh, maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know,
hey guys, it's your girl Kiora Tashay, and I'm back with another video. Today, sorry, I had just got home from school. So today's video is gonna be about this rice water challenge I've been hearing about. I've been postponing it for a while. I was been supposed to doing it because this challenge been out for like months and months and months now. So I've been postponing it. Lately I've been hearing a lot of feedback, a lot of trending things about this rice water. Is good, like amino acids, is good, vitamin D. It also has like shine for your hair, it strengthens your hair. And I was like, anything that's gonna make my hair grow, you already know I'm finna hop on that trend. So yes, I've been hearing a lot about it, so I just been postponing it. And you know, I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and do this video for you guys. It's my first time, so I'm gonna do like maybe a 10-day update, and I'm gonna just keep it rolling to see if it grows my hair, because I know everybody's hair is different, so it might not, maybe it work on my hair, maybe it might not, but it's gonna be my first time trying it. So we gonna go ahead and get that thing started. And by the way, if you guys like this hairstyle that I did, it's like a little mini twist out of my little short hair. If you guys like how I did that, you know, I can definitely do like a tutorial. If you want that, you can just comment that below in the comments, and I can show y'all. You know, I'm trying to embrace my little short natural hair. Like the content that you're already seeing already, if you like the hype that I'm bringing, I'm need y'all to go ahead and bring the likes, comment, and subscribes in, and go ahead and do that, because baby, it's gonna be more coming soon, so y'all need to hold on for that. And we gonna get this thing rolling. Okay, so first you just need a regular bag of rice. It doesn't matter which rice you use. I just prefer to get this one. You can get it from Walmart, any other store that you want. And then you just need a regular clear bowl. It doesn't matter which bowl also. I'm using two different bowls, which is this red one I'm going to be transferring in to let the rice fermentate. And then you just need one regular measurement, like 1 cup to pour the rice into. So I'll start pouring the rice into that cup for you guys. You don't have to use exactly 1 cup of rice, but you can just use however much that you feel like you'll need for your rice water. So I just decided to do that since that was the most common amount that I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers use. And then you just go ahead and pour that rice into that clear bowl. And then after that, you'll just use some regular tap water. Doesn't matter which water you use for that. And after that, you just pour the water in there, and then you just pour just enough to fill it up so it can be a little bit above the rice, and you just start mixing it. As you can see, the rice is starting to get very cloudy, so that means that we're getting all the dirt and all the old sentiment of the rice from out of there. And you just keep mixing it, and then eventually after you're done mixing all that rice, we'll just probably eventually just go ahead and pour that out. So I'm just going to keep mixing that for you guys so I can make sure all of that dirt is out. And then once you clean the rice, I'm just going to use purified water. I prefer to use water because I want everything to be clean and fresh. You don't have to use bottled water, but that's just what I prefer to use. So I'm going to pour not the whole bottle, but just enough. And then after that, I'm just going to pour that into my red bowl, where I'm going to be letting the rice fermentate in for 24 to 48 hours. So just make sure you get all the rice and all the water in there, and just make sure it's the right size that you can pour all that rice in there. And another thing I like about this, and that it's very healthy. This is something that you can use for a rinse also, but right now this is my first time, so I'm just using it as a regular rice water. And then you'll just let it sit. And I'm come back to you guys after you're done fermented for 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll get right back to it. Okay guys, it's the next day, and I had already poured the rice water into the bottle. So now I'm just going to put the essential oil, because it does have a very bad stench to it. So you need to put any type of oil you can in there, and then you just shake it up so the scent can go through the water, because it will be stink if you don't. Shake that up and put some in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and shake it up a little bit, mix it in, and then that'll be it for the rice water. You can go ahead and start applying it to your hair. Hey guys, so this is day 6 or 7. It's basically been a week for sure, and I just washed my hair. So this is the washed clean state of it right now. So far the rice water has definitely gave my hair shine. It definitely has grew scent. I'm going to insert some clips in while I'm talking of the growth in the before and after pictures of how my hair has grown since you guys last seen my hair. But this is the wash state. But I'm finna go ahead and show you guys how I use the rice water and how I spray it on my hair, and I leave it in for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Now mind you, this is the rice water. I didn't make that much because I didn't plan on using that much, and I always make a fresh batch. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward, go ahead and start spraying it on my hair. Alrighty guys, so this is my final result from the rice water and the deep conditioner. My hair is soft, it's shiny, my curls are still popping. So if you guys should really want to try this, if you guys like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.